Hello everybody, I'm Shraddha and today I will be teaching you the basics of if and else. Now what is if and else? It is a type of code you can use to have conditions. Let's try to see um the syntax of if and else. So you write if. First let's declare a variable. So let's call it var. It can be equal to 50-50, right? So now how do we check if it has 50-50, right? So let's leave one line there. You don't really have to, but I will. So if you write exactly the exact capitalization, right? And then you write 2 equals to. We will learn how to change that and how to make different ones later. And then we'll say if it's not 50, if var is 50, and then you put colon, then you have to add an indentation. Indentation is basically a space before the line. Let's make a print. Yes. Now we can write else, then colon. You don't really have to write anything there. Print, maybe no. No. Okay, so first let's run it when var is 50-50. Yes. Now let's change var to 55th or something. No. Okay, so that's how you write a basic program in these. Now, how do you make it so that if it's not equal to 50-50, you add this exclamation mark. So then we can write no. Else we can write there. First, no, see 3 dots. That means it's not equal to exclamatory mark. Oh no, it's not equal to. Now if we write y, should print yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's all I wanted to cover today. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye bye.